Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Manzoor and you are watching Manzoor Tech YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the Powerline Wi-Fi kit. As the name indicates, this will extend your Wi-Fi or wired network through the electricity line. This sounds quite amazing, but this really works. We will require a specific kit for this purpose, which I will show you in this video. We will connect these two devices to two different sockets of electricity in the same house or same office. And then by pressing the pair button, these two will be connected to each other. So through this process, we can extend our wired network, wireless network, we can extend our Wi-Fi, we connect devices like two computers, two laptops, or even we can connect an IP camera. We can extend our LAN network through this power line adapter. And the positive aspect of this method is that it gives us the same speed as on the wire. So we can get the speed of the wired network through a wireless network. And simply we can say that wherever we don't want to use a wire, we can use this device. The device this time I have is from TP-Link. You can see this is Powerline Wi-Fi kit from TP-Link. The model is AV600. As you can see, there are two devices. We will unbox this and you will see these devices and also the connection between them. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. We need only electricity socket and we will unbox this device. There are two network wires. One will connect to this device and the other to this one. You can see these are the devices inside. As you can see, there is only one LAN port on this device. So this will be the source. And here you can see two LAN ports. So this will be the destination. And from here you can extend it further by connecting it to a switch. Here you can see guys a pair button on this device. So we will have to press this button once it is connected to the electricity. And on this device you can see the pair button here. So here we also have to press this button. And here is the hole for the reset. So let's connect these devices to two laptops and ping one from the other. So friends, let's say this laptop is the destination. So we will connect the destination device here to the socket. Let's connect the LAN cable now. It has two ports. Connect it to any of these. And connect the other side to the laptop. So you can see the light is blinking. Once we connect the other laptop also, we will connect the pair button simultaneously. And this one is the other laptop we will be using as a source. So this device we connect to this socket. You see the power lights are on. Now let's connect this cable here. Connect the other end to the laptop. So you can see the lights are blinking. Now let's do some configuration on this laptop and the other one. But first we have to press the pair button on this device and the other one. So let's press the button on both of the devices. And you can see the pairing is in progress. In a while it will be connected to the other device. But remember guys, the electricity line must be the same. So you can see the devices are connected. Friends, this is the destination laptop, so we have to make sharing from here. We will share a folder or a file from here and we will access it from the source device. As these are two laptops connected, so we have to give an IP address manually. But if you have connected the devices to a router, then you don't need an IP address because the router works as a DHCP. So let's give the IP address to this laptop, and in the same series we have to assign the IP address to the other laptop also. The IP address you can assign by many ways, but I use the shortcut for this. You can click on run by pressing Windows R key and then type the ncpa.cpl. This command you can type and press OK. So you will be here on the network adapters page. From here you can see that this Ethernet port is connected to the power line adapter. So right click on this and click on properties. Now select the IPv4 from here and go to properties. You see here by default it is obtain an IP address automatically, but you have to assign the IP address manually. So click on the second option, and here you can use any private IP address class. We'll use like 192.168.1. Let's say this is 5, and we'll press tab. By pressing the tab button, it will automatically take the subnet mask. So press OK and the IP address is done. Let's create a new folder and share it. You can share any folder or file from your computer. I will create a new folder here. Let's name it as share1. Right click this folder, go to the properties, and from here select the sharing, click advanced sharing, click share this folder. You can use the name as default or you can change it. From here you can give the permissions. Like the other network shared devices, they can edit the files, they can delete the files, so you can give full control to their devices also. Or if you want to keep it read only, so remove these two and only give the read access. Press apply and OK. Again apply and OK. Now this folder is shared to the other devices on the same network. Now as far the configuration and sharing for this device is done, let's move to the other laptop and do the configuration and access this laptop from there. This is the other laptop which we are using in this video as a source laptop. It means the source will be from where the data or the connection is coming. Like mostly you are using a router, so the router will be the source and your laptop will be the destination. Now let's first assign the IP address at the same class. So we open run dialog box and we type ncpa.cpl, press OK, and from here to the Ethernet device assign the IP address version 4. Use the option below as manual IP address and type the same class as it was 192.168.1. The other one was 5, so we have to give it 6 or 7 or any. So we can do it any number from 2 to 254. Let's say this is 8 and press tab. Now press OK and OK. So the IP class is same for both the laptops. Now let's access the laptop from here. Run. So type the IP address of the other laptop like this and press OK. It's asking for the password. You must know the username and password. If you want to know more about the network users and the IP addresses, press on the I button above and you will watch my video in which I have discussed all these things in detail. So I will input my username and password. Remember my credentials if you want to use this in future. So I will remember and I'll press OK. Now you see the share one folder is here. Hope so guys, you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.